All right, slow down a little bit so the wind noise ain't so bad. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Chris, and you've got CRITTERMOTO on your device, screen, whatever it may be. Here you're going to find content of my dual-sploring adventures. That's right, I said dual-sploring. It's exploring on a dual sport. And yeah, today I'm meeting up with those guys over there. You can see Summer's already dancing. And the plan for today is to head down to Lake Cowichsn area. She's going to be a scorcher today, looking at highs of mid-30s, 30 degrees Celsius. That's around 93, 95 Fahrenheit. So yeah, we're going to go cruise around, see if we can find some shaded trees, maybe find a river to go swim in. So that's it. Just waiting for the light here. Thanks for tuning in. Stick around and let's see what we can see. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Are we live right now?
You're live. All right, here we are. Let me see. Duncan's that way, Cowichsn's that way. This is the meeting point right here. I think we have 2 more to meet up with, maybe more, we'll see. Bonnie joined us part way, so that's pretty awesome. And then we got the guru, the trail guru Carl. He's going to be our fearless leader today. So yeah, we'll wait for the rest of everybody to show up.
Here comes the other 2.
Gang's all here. Just look at the view. So we were only there for maybe 15-20 minutes, just sort of saying our hellos. And I can tell you it feels good to get moving again. Holy smokes, it's gonna get hot today. Woo! This is a great little side route, alternate route to get to Lake Cowichsn. Really good for motorcyclists if you don't want to deal with 2 lanes of highway traffic. The main highway goes fairly straight to get there. This road is Riverbend Road. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Has a bunch of twisties, ups and downs. And like I say, it's good for motorcyclists. I mean, the speed limits aren't as fast as the highway, but still, it's a lot of fun. It's going to get dusty. It's dusty. Woo-hoo-hoo, dusty. Just look at that, eh? Just look at that. Wow. Just look at this valley. Holy smokes. Look at all those trees. Look at all that green. Look at how steep this hill is. You can't see that because the GoPro's flattening it out. This is crazy. I hate downhills. Here we go. This will be a climb up, that's for sure. I tell you, Vancouver Island sure does have a lot to offer. It really does. It sure feels small at times, but you know, every now and again when someone takes me out someplace I haven't been, man, it's awesome. So great. And the weather here is so delightful. We're Canada's California. That's what they refer to us as, actually. We are Canada's California. So, come on up and I'll take you around. I'll show you some trails. I guarantee you will like it. You might even love it. Oh, big rocks, look out. Here comes Bonnie. Here, let's go down and take a look at the lake. It's so hot my beard melted off.
That
is
cold? Not even cool at all.
No.
It's like bath temperature.
Woo!
Heaven.
Awesome. Awesome.
Not that piece.
Yeah, you want to try to get as much momentum. Because once you stop, it's really hard.
So that was our little lunch break, and the wraps were yummy. I still have some more for the swim spot, and I think we're off to go find that now. The heat has really turned up, and we all decided it was time to get back on the bikes and get some airflow happening. So I believe That's what we're doing now. Let's go see what we can see. Yeah, look at that. Wow. It's pretty. On the left, it's not so pretty. But on the right, it's pretty. Oh, look at this.
Look at that water. There's the bridge.
This should be nice. Water's gonna be cool. I'll let you know. Okay, this just might be the first two in. 1, 2.
And?
That's amazing. Woo! I can breathe. Woo! Okay. Yeah. Woo! Come on. Woo! Whoa! Yeah. Beefcake! 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 Come on! Woo!
I don't like this.
Come on! You can do it! Come on!
Holy smokes! I don't. That's not encouraging. Fine.
Come on!
It's beefcake.
It's very refreshing.
Okay.
We'll come get you if you don't recircuit. Woo! Yeah! Straight in. There you go. Woo! Woo!
I got warm all of a sudden. Oh my gosh.